Lethal Cosmetics, The Legend of Korra. And if I sound weird, I am feeling a little under the weather, but I'm going to be okay. I am very excited to use this. I really want to use this and this. And I know I want to do 2 looks with this palette because I love everything about it. I'm going to grab my color case here. And I'm just going to use this, probably on the higher points. And then I'm going to use a darker shade in my socket. And that's going to be the base of everything. But where I'm going to apply a few of the shades, I want to do a little bit of highlight underneath. You'll see in just a second, my friends. Where's Sheila? I have to find Sheila. And then I'll just use this color kind of as a warm eyeshadow. These do dry down, so I don't really have to worry about reinforcing it. Especially if you get them really, really nice and thin with a brush like this. I'll just grab an E27 in this shade. Oof. And that's why I was using that lighter base. It's really going to enhance the neon of this shade and make it look like it's glowing from within. And then I think I want to use the same shade on my brow bone a little bit. Take a little bit of the bronzer that I'll use later. I'm just using a little bit of MAC Give Me Sun. I don't know if you can hear that, but Granny's talking to Jean. So flippin' sweet. And I'm using a fluffier brush, that way I don't deposit too much product. I'm gonna wipe off my brush, and then I'm gonna grab a little bit of that this same shade, and then just kind of go over a little bit here, go back and forth. There you go. Now I don't have anything on my lid, but it feels tacky enough from even just the humidity that I exist in, like a little lizard. If you wanted to add some clear base, you absolutely could, but I think I'm gonna be okay. And I just wanna put that on my lid. Very fun. Now, if I were to not kind of blend back and forth, I will say this doesn't have a base, but you could build it up to where you really can't see through it. But I wanted it a little bit more sheer. So I'm looking for a more brown red. This one right here is one of my favorites. This is the Urban Decay. And then this is the Half Magic Cinefox. You can see it's a lot more red. I will say I'm not finding these to be identical in formula. The closest thing I'm seeing is shape, which I do like this shape a lot. But these almost have a drier texture, which can lead to crumbling. So that's just something to keep in mind. So they don't layer up quite the same as the Urban Decay, but I do like the colors in these a lot. Okay. I'm so excited for this brush, my friends. It's coming very, very soon. This is such a left out spot. And I know it's a little nitpicky, but I'll be showing you so many different ways to use it. It's pretty awesome. Bratz did a collab with Lily Lashes. These are self-adhesive, but this is the style Sasha, and I love them so much. I think they're my favorite out of the collection. Nice. I'm gonna take some of this shade. Open your eyes. Sorry, friends. And I'm actually gonna put this color here in a little while, but I thought we'd do this right now because I'm actually gonna keep the skin a little bit minimal. I will wear a foundation, I'm just gonna wear less of it. Less for me, I should say. I love this foundation so much. It is so thin. It actually reminds me of an updated version of Cover FX Power Play. So if you like that one, I think you'll like this one. In fact, this is thinner than that one. That's why I said updated. And depending on how you prep your skin, if you're oily combination, you'll be just fine. Anything that can be a very small amount and go a very long way, it's going to be great for just about any skin type. I really don't think this would be bad on anyone. I'm going to get a little bit haired up. I'm going to do just a whisper of a concealer closer to my skin tone. I don't want to blend too much over here. Okay, we'll melt these edges. Still babysitting the puppy dog, by the way. BB is still here. She's been pretty quiet. I wanted to do a more pink under eye just because I think the pink will be pretty with that super bright neon turquoise. This is 𝗕𝗘𝗧𝗬𝗓 Pink Corrector in B3. Fun. Then I'm going to take this Givenchy blush on a C44. Perfect. I'm going to even it out a little bit. There you go. That looks great. And then we'll just start to build that up here. This brush is so perfect for that. Now that I know I can pick up this much, I'm less afraid of it. These blushes are cool because they're basically setting powders, but blush. I got them back out and I'm having a lot of fun with them. That is so smooth. Then before all of this gets set, I'm going to take our blue turquoise, whatever you want to call it, friends. Fun. Honestly, this makeup room that just hates to see me coming. I'll tell you why, because I get in here and I just start painting. I told y'all this was just going to be a simple little look, and here I am. I'm sorry. I love makeup so much. It's just so much fun. Oh, and I tried the Too Faced Peach Powder again. It's not a friend of mine. It has too much of a base in it. It's too wide of a base, essentially. And it says it's a medium shade. It absolutely left way too much of a cast, which then turns everything gray. So that one is not for me. But this one, I don't know if you know this, but I like this one. C40.5, and I'm doing matte Give Me Sun. You still snorting, BB? She's so cute. She just sleeps right behind me in my chair. Mind you, she's like 2 pounds, full grown. So she fits perfectly behind me. It's so cute. She just loves to sleep there. Take a little bit of the bronzer across here. Just to kind of frame it. And we'll put some over here too, just to finish that frame. I'm just going to do my artist color pencil. You can see my eyes are watering from whatever this is that's going on with my allergies or cold. I don't know what it is. But this is Anywhere Caffeine. Urban Decay lip liner. This is shade Fated. No snorts, baby? I like this color a lot. It's my lips. Just a little bit more defined. And then I wanted to do this lipstick. This is a Fenty lipstick in the shade Blazed Donut. Oh, she's awake. Let me show you. Here's the snorter. She's snorting right now. She's sweet. I love you, baby. Sweet girl. All right, my friends, this is our finished look. Did I get out of control? Yes. But did I have fun? Even more, yes. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching the long tutorials. And thank you for being here. Thank you for putting up with Snorty. BB. Until the next video, I love you. Bye for now.